welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be something a little bit different. I am actually going to be attempting a makeup tutorial. Attempting as in I'm going to be looking at a picture and trying to recreate it. This isn't going to be like a step-by-step kind of thing. It's going to be like, let's see if I can actually do this, because I have taken like a little while off of makeup. Like I haven't worn makeup for like about 3 to 2 months. So since I've taken that break of like 3 to 2 months, I don't know how good I'm gonna be, and I really doubt that I will be even able to even recreate a look. So the look that I'm going to be doing is actually by Quartz Makeup, and it's actually like a kind of ombre looking thing with some purple, some oranges, some yellows, and some yellow liner on the inner corner of the eye. So that's what I'm gonna be trying to recreate today. Hopefully it comes out. I actually don't have yellow liner, so I might replace it with like something different, like maybe pink or white or something a little bit different. So other than that, let's get started. Alright, so the palette that I'm going to be using today is going to be the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and it has a whole bunch of different colors, so it's exactly what we need to achieve this look. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in. Alright, so since I zoomed you guys in, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the BH Studio Pro foundation primer, but I'm gonna be putting this on my actual lid. Alright, and I'm also just gonna be attempting it on this one eye because I'm lazy. Next, I'm going to be going in with the NYX, what does it say? Professional makeup, NYX like base eyeshadow pot kind of thing. It's all white, so it's just an all white thing. And I'm actually gonna be using my finger for that. So I look like I have a all like white spot around my eye. What the heck? It's so weird. Anyway, now that I look crazy and that like I have powder on one eye, and let me focus. Okay. So now we're actually gonna start with the eyeshadows. So I'm going to be going in with this yellow shade right here. I'm gonna pat that on, kind of dust off the excess. I'm gonna be putting that in my crease. And then now that I've patted it on, I'm gonna blend it out with a little tiny blending brush. This is also from e.l.f. Half of my brushes are from e.l.f. Let's blend it out a little bit more. It kind of diffused a little bit, so I'm gonna try to add a little bit more. So let's see. Alright, so looks close enough. It looks brighter in person than it does on camera, which is a little strange. But I don't know if we should move on or if I should keep trying to build the color. I don't know. So I'm gonna blend this out and then we're gonna move on. Alright, so looking at the picture, it looks like she went in with orange and with another crease brush, and I'm going to be picking up this orange shade right here. And I'm going to be putting that in my crease. Alright, so you can tell how that orange in there looks a little messy, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with the blending brush that we use to blend out the yellow. So that looks a little bit better. Alright, so let's try to make the orange a little bit more intense. So it also looks like she has a little bit of the pink mixed in with the orange and the yellow. So I'm not sure how that's gonna look. So let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this, oh, you can't see it, this pink shade right here. So I blended that out. Now I'm gonna go in with the old blending brush that we used for the yellow, and I'm gonna blend the orange and the pink back in with the yellow. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more yellow. So now that we got like the top layers, I guess we should go in with the purple on the inner corner. I'm gonna go in with this purple color. And why does this look so much different than the picture? I'm gonna go back in with the orange shade. I'm gonna kind of then I'm gonna go back in with the purple and like pack it on the corner again. Alright. So this is what we got so far. So now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe MB26 brush. It's a little thin brush. And I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild corrector concealer. I'm gonna get that with the brush. And I'm gonna use that to cut my crease. So at the top I kind of messed up right here. So I'm gonna bring in that orange shade again, and I'm gonna try to fix my mistake. That's where we are right now. And looking at the picture, there's an orange on the inner part and then yellow on the inner corner of the eye. So in the middle where my pupil is, that's orange, and then on the inner corner it's yellow. So going in with the crease brush that we used for the orange, I'm gonna pick up some more of that orange and I'm gonna pack it on. So now that we did the orange, I'm gonna do the yellow, and then after that we're gonna blend it all together. So now I'm gonna try to blend the orange with the yellow and then the orange with the purple. So on the eye, I feel like there's no difference between the actual lid and the crease. So I'm gonna go in with that pink shade and then I'm gonna blend it into the crease a little bit more to see if we can like separate the two. That kind of like deepened it up a little bit. I think that kind of worked. Not the way that you would normally do, but hey, it kind of worked. Alright, so now that we kind of blended it out and everything, I'm going to go in with white liner, but I'm only going to do like a wing liner. So I am kind of changing the look a little bit, but not by much. I'm going in with the NYX white liquid liner, and I'm going to try to shake it up a little bit. Alright. And I'm gonna try to do a winged liner. Alright, sometimes I get the white liner on my eyelashes. No. Okay. Did I get it? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. Alright, so that's this one eye. Alright, so I don't know how good I achieved it. It kind of looks off a little bit, but hey, I did say that it was gonna be an attempt, and I didn't do my lower line solely because I was lazy, but I think it was a pretty decent attempt. From far away, it doesn't look that bad. Yeah, it does. So next time, hopefully we do better. I will try another makeup attempt and leave it in the comments if you want me to go ahead and try a different kind of like makeup look. Please like just put it in the comments on what kind of look you want me to attempt, because obviously this was but mostly a fail. Solely because I have not done makeup in a while and I kind of suck at it. So let me know in the comments who you want to see next. And this was my attempt. So, bye, have a good day, and subscribe.